Welcome to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Children, before we start with our class, let us all stand in our places, join our hands, close our eyes, and recite our school prayer. Children, repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play, and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Good morning, children. So children, today we are going to learn the subject conversation. हम आज conversation पढ़ने वाले हैं. But today in conversation we are going to do the revision. We are going to do the revision. We have already learned 5 topics in conversation, and from the 5 topics we have already done the revision on the 3 topics. हम लोग का already 3 topic का revision हो गया है. That is colors, my toys, and indoor games. Today we are going to do the remaining 2 topics revision, that is on festivals and family. We are going to do revision on festivals and family. So before I start with you with the revision, I think you all know what are festivals. Last time teacher ने आपको सबको समझाया था festivals क्या होते हैं, right? So once again, फिर से we all will go through all the types of festivals that we celebrate in India. हम इंडिया में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इंडिया में there are many people staying in different religious people staying in India. So because of that we are celebrating different types of festival in India. So let us all go through the festivals that we celebrate in India. हम सब पहले देखेंगे which festivals we celebrate in India. So the first picture that you see in the book is Holi. The first picture that you see in the book is Holi. What do you do in Holi, children? हम होली में क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे पे कलर फेंकते हैं. We throw balloons on one another. We throw colored water on one another. एक दूसरे पे कलर का पानी फेंकते हैं, balloons फेंकते हैं. We throw colors, right? So that is Holi. The next festival next to Holi is Dashera. होली के बाजू में next festival is Dashera. And what did teacher tell you last time? When does Dashera comes? Dashera comes after Navratri. On the 10th day they celebrate Dashera, right? Where they burn Ravan and they celebrate Dashera on the 10th day of Navratri. Then in the second line, the first picture is Raksha Bandhan. In the second line, the next picture, first picture is Raksha Bandhan. In Raksha Bandhan, what do we do? The sister ties Rakhi on the brother's hand, right? बहन अपने भाई को राखी बांधती है. And then in turn, the brother gifts the sister something. He returns something to the sister. He gives a gift to the sister. When the sister ties Rakhi to the brother gives in turn back a small gift to the sister. That is Raksha Bandhan. Next to Raksha Bandhan is Gudi Padwa. Raksha Bandhan के बाजू में it is Gudi Padwa. Again Gudi Padwa I told you is a festival of Maharashtrians. ज़्यादा करके महाराष्ट्र में ये फेस्टिवल गुड़ी पाड़वा करते हैं. Mostly Gudi Padwa is celebrated in Maharashtra. गुड़ी पाड़वा कहाँ पे करते हैं? महाराष्ट्र में. Down in the last line, the first picture that you see is Diwali. Which picture is that? Diwali. हम सब दिवाली में क्या करते हैं? Yes, we burn crackers. हम लोग क्रैकर्स बर्स्ट करते हैं, फिर मिठाई बनाते हैं, राइट. रंगोली बनाते हैं घर के सामने, पूरे घर में दिए जलाते हैं. वी वेयर नाइस न्यू क्लोथ्स एंड वी विश हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. सो दैट इज दिवाली. What do we do in Diwali? We burst crackers and it is also known as a festival of lights. In Diwali what we do? It is known as we burn, because we burn diyas on in the whole house. We burst crackers. We burn this thing. We light even the lanterns. So that's why it is known as a festival of lights. Diwali. Next to Diwali is Ganesh Chaturthi. Now recently only we had, right, Ganesh Chaturthi in India, where they bring Lord Ganesh at home and they have their puja, and then after the 10 days they take it in the sea and they dip it in the water. That is Ganesh Chaturthi. Next, on the second page, page 32, which is the first picture, it is Guru Nanak Jayanti. What is the first picture? Guru Nanak Jayanti. And Guru Nanak Jayanti is mostly celebrated among Punjabis in Punjab. Mostly Punjabis celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is a festival of Punjab. Next to Guru Nanak Jayanti is Eid, the festival of Eid. And this festival is celebrated by Muslims. Eid is the festival that is celebrated by Muslims. Down the second line, the first picture is Janmashtami. In the second line, the first picture is Janmashtami. Right? And what did I tell you? Janmashtami is what? Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna. On this day, on this Janmashtami day, Lord Krishna का जन्म हुआ था. It's a birthday of Lord Krishna on the Janmashtami day. So the Janmashtami is also known as Dahi Handi, right? You see people outside your window and all breaking those matkas, that is Dahi Handi. Next to Janmashtami is Christmas. Next to Janmashtami is Christmas. What happens on Christmas? Christmas is a festival of Catholics. Christmas is a festival of Catholics. And I ask you, what happens on Christmas? You see mostly they have a Santa Claus, and Santa Claus gives gifts to the children. And even a Christmas tree is decorated, and they decorate the whole house. They decorate a Christmas tree. They make sweets, same as Diwali. Sweets बनाते हैं, lights लगाते हैं, and they enjoy their day Christmas. Okay. Now down there are some question answers given, and we have already done these question answers. We'll once again quickly go through the revision with the question answers. Question number 1. Which festival do you like the most? Question number 1. Which festival do you like the most? Here you have to write the festival you like. आपको लिखना है आपको कौन सा फेस्टिवल अच्छा लगता है. I like dash festival the most. अगर आपको एक दूसरे पे कलर लगाने के लिए अच्छा लगता है, फुगे फोड़ने के लिए अच्छा लगता है, पानी फेंकने के लिए अच्छा लगता है, तो यू कैन राइट आई लाइक होली फेस्टिवल द मोस्ट. अगर आपको क्रैकर्स जलाने में अच्छा लगता है, यू लाइक टू बर्स्ट क्रैकर्स, यू लाइक टू लाइट दियाज, you like to have nice sweets, then you can write I like Diwali festival the most. अगर आपको दहीहंडी फोड़ने के लिए अच्छी लगती है and you like to have nice and creamy butter and all, then you can write I like Janmashtami festival the most. So whichever festival you like, whatever you like, you have to write your festival. Teacher will not let you know what festival you like. Teacher को नहीं पता आपको कौन सा festival पसंद है, right? So which festival do you like? I like dash festival the most. You will write your festival in that. Whose birthday is Janmashtami? जन्माष्टमी इज लॉर्ड कृष्णा's बर्थडे. टीचर ने आपको बताया था whose birthday is जन्माष्टमी. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. जन्माष्टमी इज लॉर्ड कृष्णा's बर्थडे. वंस अगेन चिल्ड्रन रिपीट आफ्टर मी. जन्माष्टमी इज लॉर्ड कृष्णा's बर्थडे. Once again, Janmashtami is Lord Krishna's birthday. Whose birthday is Janmashtami? Janmashtami is Lord Krishna's birthday. Question number 3. In which festival do people sprinkle colors on one another? Question number 3. In which festival do people sprinkle colors on one another? कौन से फेस्टिवल में टीचर ने आपको बताया कि एक दूसरे पे कलर फेंकते हैं? Yes, right. It is Holi. People sprinkle colors on one another during Holi. Once again, people sprinkle colors on one another during Holi. Children, repeat after me. People sprinkle colors on one another during Holi. In which festival do people sprinkle colors on one another? People sprinkle colors on one another during Holi. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Question number 4. Which festival? Yes, it is Diwali. It is Diwali. So Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Repeat after me, children. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Which festival is known as the festival of lights? Diwali is known as the festival of lights. So here we are done with the first chapter. Once again, question number 1. Which festival do you like the most? You have to write your festival. I like dash festival the most. Question number 2. Whose birthday is Janmashtami? Janmashtami is Lord Krishna's birthday. Repeat. Janmashtami is Lord Krishna's birthday. Question number 3. In which festival do people sprinkle colors on one another? Answer. People sprinkle colors on one another during Holi. Repeat after me. People sprinkle colors on one another during Holi. Question number 4. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Answer. Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. Repeat after me. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Now we come to the next chapter, that is family. Last time teacher had explained to you what is family. Right? मैंने आपको बताया था पहली बात, आप सब कहाँ पे रहते हो? आप सब अपने घर पे रहते हो. You live in a house. And when you live in a house, आप तो अकेले नहीं रहते हो. You're not living alone in the house. You're living along with your parents. आप आपके मम्मी डैडी के साथ रहते हो, भाई बहन के साथ रहते हो. Right? You're living with your मम्मा डाडा, your brother sister. अगर आपकी फैमिली बड़ी है तो you're even living with your दादा दादी, that is your grandparents, or your uncles aunties, that is your chacha chachi, your cousins. So that all makes your family. Some people live with a small family, that is only mother, father, brother or a sister. Some people live in a big family, that is along with the mother, father, brother, sister. They even live with their grandparents, dada and dadi, or else nana and nani. And still more, there are sometimes living in a joint family, that is they even have their chacha and chachi staying along with them, and they all live in a big family, right? And a happy family. So you all live in a big family. So family consists of a mother, father, brother or a sister. So you can have a small family or you can have a big family, right? Now, as you know what is a family, we will quickly go through all the question answers that is given below. Okay? Question number 1. What is your father's name? My father's name is, I don't know, teacher doesn't know. आपको पता है, टीचर को पता नहीं आपके पापा का नाम क्या है. आपको लिखना है आपके पापा का नाम और आपको बोलना है, जब भी टीचर आपको पूछेगी व्हाट इज़ योर फादर्स नेम, आपको बोलना है माय फादर्स नेम इज़, जो भी आपके फादर का नाम है, जो भी आपके पापा का नाम है वो आपको बोलना है. टीचर को नहीं पता, इसके लिए टीचर आपको नहीं सिखा सकती आपके पापा का नाम. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What is your mother's name? Once again, my mother's name is, टीचर को नहीं पता. Teacher don't know what is your mama's name. You have to write your mother's name. आपको आपके मम्मी का नाम लिखना है. टीचर को नहीं पता आपके मम्मी का नाम. ओके. सो टीचर को नहीं पता आपके फादर का नाम, टीचर को नहीं पता आपके मदर का नाम, मम्मी का नाम. सो यू हैव टू राइट एंड यू हैव टू लर्न. जब भी आपको टीचर पूछेगी, जब स्कूल शुरू होगा और आप स्कूल आओगे और टीचर आपको पूछेगी व्हाट इज़ योर फादर्स नेम, आपको ये आना चाहिए. व्हाट इज़ योर मदर्स नेम, आपको आना चाहिए. टीचर को नहीं पता आपके मम्मी और पापा का नाम. सो यू हैव टू लर्न एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. हाउ मैनी ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स डू यू हैव? आई हैव डैश ब्रदर एंड डैश सिस्टर. अगर आपके पास एक भाई है तो यू कैन से आई हैव 1 ब्रदर एंड नो सिस्टर. अगर आपके पास एक बहन है तो यू कैन से आई हैव नो ब्रदर एंड 1 सिस्टर. अगर आपके पास दोनों है, भाई भी है और बहन भी है, तो आप लिख सकते हो, बोल सकते हो आई हैव 1 ब्रदर एंड 1 सिस्टर. जितने भी भाई बहन है, अगर आपके पास 2 ब्रदर्स है तो यू कैन राइट आई हैव 2 ब्रदर्स एंड 1 सिस्टर और नो सिस्टर. आई हैव नो ब्रदर एंड 2 सिस्टर्स. ओके. एंड अगर आप अकेले हो, कोई भी नहीं है, तो यू कैन से आई हैव नो ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. सो टीचर को नहीं पता आपके पास कितने भाई बहन है, टीचर को नहीं पता आपके पापा का नाम क्या है, मम्मी का नाम क्या है. So all these 3 questions you have to write by yourself and learn. ठीक है? Understood? So here we are done with our revision with the 2 chapters, and already we have learned before also the first 3 chapters revision. So here we complete with all our 5 chapter revisions what we have done till date. Thank you.